Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips. We will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content we are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into it right away, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3 and 10 mil card trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So this started the downtrend right from this resistance zone, and as you can see, it is still selling, finding it difficult to break out below this support zone, and it is heading towards it. If it's unable to break out from there, then we expect it to switch the direction of the trend into an uptrend and start buying right from there. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out from there. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course, just the way we are seeing it, okay, this actually went on uptrend, but it has been playing in between this channel for a while. So right now, it is selling right now, okay, but if it's unable to go below this particular lower part of the channel, then we are most likely to see it pulling up right from there, okay. So but for now, it is still selling. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. It's been on downtrend for a while, but it has gotten to this resistance, I mean support zone. It has not been able to break out below it. And of course, it made an attempt to pull back, but it didn't go too far. Just the way you have seen the trend line I drew right here. So it came down and it's up, and of course, it will come down again once it breaks out in between these two, then definitely it will tell us the next direction. Okay, but for now, we expect it to buy more. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out. Okay, this is Paynex 999. This had been on a very strong uptrend, okay, starting from this support zone when it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend. And you can see it has been buying since then, having pullbacks in between. And of course, it's still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it finds it difficult to break out above this resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell, okay? But for now, it is buying, okay? The next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It started a downtrend right from here and gave us sell signal, and it has been selling since then. Even though it has gotten to this particular support region, it has not been able to break out from there. If it breaks out below this, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, definitely it's going to go back into an uptrend, okay? So we expect it to buy if it's unable to break out from there. However, if it breaks out below this support zone, it's going to sell more. So we should take note of that. So we expect a buying opportunity from there because that is a major support zone. But if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell. Okay. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.